So we just come in closer on this chart, we can see that this line graph here is engine speed, and there's a spot at which they describe weak versus rich. Now, when we go to adjust the carburetor base mixture, we are trying to find this spot at which the engine speed rises up to a peak and then it just starts slowing down. And we need to find this exact spot because this is what is referred to as the baseline. And this is how we compare needles and other variables. So we need to be able to adjust the carburetor to this point at every single, anytime we have a change in timing or whatnot, we always need to make sure that we are at the same spot before we go any further with our cars. Because if you don't come back to this spot, then you won't know whether or not the changes you've made are valid or invalid. And this is also how SU describes doing the tuning on the cars, finding this baseline point. So if you have a carburetor with a fixed jet, it's the same process as the Waxstat and the HIF series carburetors. They all need to be adjusted to find this exact point on this graph. This is particularly important for cars with Waxstat and bimetallic strips. So the HIF carburetors have the bimetallic strip, and it makes adjustments to the mixture based on the temperature of the fuel. So they are intended to be adjusted at this exact spot so that they can operate their mechanism properly. So engine's idling, you can see the fluctuations at idle. It's between 860 and 890-ish. And right now my gauge is staying a bit lean. So I'm actually going to richen this up and see if I can get a more stable reading at idle. I can also hear the engine kind of struggling a little bit as it's idling, I can hear the idle speed going up and down. So if I turn the idle adjustment screw for the mixture downwards, I'm going to increase the amount of fuel. And I'm moving it very slowly. And I'm watching both the tachometer and the mixture gauge, but mostly the tachometer. You see how we're already approaching 900 RPMs on here? And the range of speed at which it's idling at is narrowing. Okay, that was interesting. So it's now going up to 930, 940. So it's actually asking for more fuel is what it's telling me. $950, $960. Okay, so it still wants more fuel. It's asking for more fuel. Okay, we're almost getting to 1,000 RPMs now. And you notice that my mixture is approaching stoichiometric. Lambda 1 is stoichiometric, but it's still asking for more fuel based on the engine speed. Okay, so you see how it went from fluctuating to basically staying at 1,010, 1,020, and my mixture is about 9.5, 9.7. I would describe this as the baseline point because we've achieved the most stable idle speed. And again, I was just richening up the mixture until this number stabilized, and that's what I would call the baseline mixture.